Okay, so has this ever happened to you? Just happened to me, and I'm going to help you fix it. So, have you ever been almost ready to hit go on a Zoom call? You're totally set up. You open up your Zoom page, you go into settings, and for whatever reason, you cannot find your Ecamm Virtual Cam? Well, here's how you fix that, because this just happened to me a few minutes ago, and I had to frantically figure this out because it was so stressful. But here it is. Take a look. All right. Right before you get on a Zoom call, you open up your settings most likely and you check them. So you'll see here, if you go to audio settings and video settings, right now it says Ecamm Live Virtual Cam. Well, it didn't say that earlier. Earlier, it was completely on the wrong camera. It was on this one, the crappy webcam. That's not what I want. I want this for my Zoom call. But that's not what I had. So this is how I fixed it to go from the webcam to my Canon, which is connected through my Ecamm Virtual Cam. Well, one of the things that has to be done is you have to go over here to your preferences under system settings. Under system settings, you go to general, and under general, you'll see login items. Your login items is where you have to check to make sure Ecamm Network is actually within the login items that are allowed in the background. So take a look, allow in the background, and now Ecamm Network is toggled on. Earlier, it was not, and so I toggled it on and I restarted my computer. I waited for everything to come back up, and voila, Ecamm Live Virtual Cam was present. That's it, super simple, but it can create a very, very stressful moment when you have everything set up and you're ready to go live or jump into a Zoom call and you would like to use your nice camera. All right, well, I hope that that all helped because I'd hate for you to go through that. All right, until next time, bye-bye.